Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. Reading po ito for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay? And i-message mo na lang siya. If you want, meron akong astrological reading, guys, available. I will read your natal chart and sabihin mo sa akin kung ano yung gusto mong malaman. Like, saan mo mamimit yung future husband and wife mo, anong ugali niya, etc. By the way, may nagko-comment, paano ko gagawain yun? Astrological reading, guys, ang gagawain ko. Ayan, ito for 1,500 astrological reading with tarot advice. Ayan, at meron tayong other modes of payment, GCash po. Ito yung example, isa sa ni-reading ko. Ayan, astrological reading, ay, ang gagawain. Yung according sa placement ng planet mo, nung pinanganak ka. So, dapat alam mo yung iyong oras ng kapanganakan, birthday, at kung saan ka pinanganak. Let's start your reading. Ayan, kasi syempre nagmo-move yung planets natin, ano? Nagmo-move. So, anyway, yun yung babasahin ko kung ano yung pinaka-placement or pinaka-pwesto ng planeta nung time na pinanganak ka. So, you do have your Ace of Swords, 8 of Coins, and 5 of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Bottom of the deck, 10 of Cups. Ayan. I can see idea na pwedeng nasa isip mo or paparating na ito sa, especially habang ginagawa ko tong reading na ito, magfo-full moon, mag-new moon. Ngayong August, August 4. So, magkakaroon ng full moon, new moon. And, itong new moon na to is nagsisignify siya ng new beginnings. And lalo na with the Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords, it's about your thoughts. It's about something na, maybe with the 5 of Swords, iniwasan mo noon. But then, hindi mo maiiwasan ngayon. Kasi talagang guguluhin ka nito eh. Talagang papasok sa utak mo to whatever this new beginning is. Talagang hahuntingin ka. So, I can see a new idea, lalo na with the 8 of Coins. And the 8 of Coins, alam mo yung number 8, napakaganda niyan. Yung sign niyan, pag iginilid mo, parang infinity sign, diba? Infinity, it's like a forever sign. Guys, whatever this new beginning is, maaring with the number 8, 8 of Coins, coins is about material gains, material things na pwedeng dumating sa'yo. And yung 8 is like forever kind of thing. So maybe this is something na hindi lang ikaw ang makikinabang. Maybe this new beginning is hindi pang mabilis ang new beginning na after a couple of months is tapos na. Maybe through generations, pwedeng makinabang dito. Some of you maybe a new beginning na may kinalaman sa pagbili ng something like a house, pag-invest ng something like maybe business. But anyway, pwedeng pati mga anak mo, mga generation, like I can say a new beginning na generational ang pwedeng makinabang dito. And not necessarily August 4 new moon, doon mangyayari yung new beginning na yon. No, of course, ngayon, ito na nga, August 4, this is the time na ginagawa ko tong reading. Pero ito, pwedeng up to 6 months, no? Itong mangyari, itong new beginning na ito. Okay, so within this 6 months na susunod, there's this new beginning na pwedeng, nakikita natin gagawain or sisimulan na gawain. And yun nga, nakakakita tayo na of course, maybe nagkaroon ng delays or pwede magkaroon ng delays. But eventually, nakikita natin na yung delay is tama lang siya dahil maybe may mga kailangan ka munang baguhin muna or ayusin muna bago mo simulan talaga totally ito. So what is what is I am telling here? For example, there's a new business na maaaring maisipan mong gawain. Pero yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron ka pang work, meron ka pang career na kailangan mo munang ayusin, may aayusin ka ba dito? Or maybe there's another business pa na pwedeng hindi pa ito fully ayos na ayos. So bakit ka magsisimula nang hindi pa talaga ayos yung isa pa? 'Di ba? Ang tendency niyan, yung isa pwedeng ma-neglect mo, hindi mo maayos, hindi mo mapansin or pwedeng mapabayaan. So paano yung new beginning na naman ito na iisipin mo? So yung iba sa inyo, i-delay muna ito sa inyong beginning na ito in order for you to focus first dito sa mga kung ano muna yung dapat mong tapusin dito sa isang bagay na dapat mo munang ayusin or tapusin. Okay? So ayun. So ibig sabihin, yung delay is beneficial pa rin para sa'yo. Okay? So, this is your main energy. Napakaganda nito actually, napaka-fresh ng energy. At saka, sa totoo lang habang nire-reading ko ito, habang sinasabi ko sa'yo yung mga messages, kinikilabutan ako. Oo, kinikilabutan ako. Why? Kasi maybe, hindi lang maliitang accomplishment ang pwedeng ma-achieve mo through this. This is something big. Okay? Ewan ko nga bakit mo iniiwasan. Maybe yung iba sa inyo dahil sa hiya, sa takot, sa nag-aalangan, pwedeng ganun. Or maybe because of children. Ayan. But anyway, take only what resonates. Or family, maybe umiiwas ka, nahiya ka sa family mo, etc. Okay. 10 of Cups. This is very beautiful at the bottom of the deck. I get the support of the universe. The 10 of Cups, ito supposed to be family. Pero what I am seeing here is the universe. The universe is supporting you dito sa new beginning mo na ito. Nakaakibat sila sa'yo or nakabantay sila sa'yo. Okay? And they will give you the blessing. Alam mo, meron tayong, alam mo naman yun, yung kasabihan, na nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. Totoo yun. Of course, yung idea, pwedeng nasa, kay God rin yung idea eh. And then, isasabihin niya sa'yo through your thoughts. Okay? And then, ito yun. Pwedeng the universe is telling you this idea, giving you this idea. Kailangan mo lang lagyan ng action. And, let's move on to your person's side. Napakaganda ng messages. Una pa lang, ha? By the way, sorry about my voice. Kagigising ko lang. So, medyo iba pa yung boses ko. Who is this person that you're dealing with? Who is this person that you're dealing with? 6 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, energies lang yon guys. Hindi yung pinaka-zodiac sign ng person mo. 6 of Wands, there's this balance energy dito, especially with the numbers, with the 6 of Wands. Number 6 is a very balanced energy. I feel like this person is someone na looking forward na magkaroon ng kaayusan sa kanyang sarili. Maybe this person is health conscious, body conscious, skin conscious, pwedeng ganon. This person is with the 3 of Coins. I feel like medyo bored siya ngayon pagdating sa kanyang connection sa'yo. So, maybe hindi nagkakaroon ng maayos na connection sa inyo. Maybe there's this uh, lack of communication because nakakita tayo ng boredom. And with the Six of Cups, ayan, dalawa na yung number 6, guys. And it is a balanced energy. And yung Three of Coins yung nasa gitna, which is maybe this person. Yeah, maybe this is a person in the past. Six of Cups is past person, past energy. And itong Three of Coins, akala niya kasi magiging masaya siya dito sa work niya. Feeling niya magkakaroon siya ng growth doon, or feeling niya dadami yung pera niya, or magkakaroon siya ng level up ng ng sahod, sweldo, pera, para sabihin na natin ganon. But if nagkaroon nga ng ganon, let's say lumaki ang kanyang sahod, but this person is completely feeling a little bit down. Hindi siya happy. The Four of Wands, yeah, this is a person who is stable. And pwedeng itong stability na to, feeling niya, akala niya noon, ito yung magbibigay sa kanya ng happiness. Pero medyo naiiba ito ngayon. Medyo naiiba. Although ang focus ng person na ito ngayon ay money, career. But maybe hindi siya fully satisfied sa emotionally. Not the material thing, kasi okay naman yung material. Emotionally, this person is feeling bored. Emotion ninyo, you do have the Seven of Wands. Temperance, okay. Emotion ng person na ito is the World and the Eight of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Judgment. Three of Wands is here also. Emotion mo para sa kanya, I feel like ikaw yung nakakuha natin na willing kang mag-take ng risk dito sa person na to, like kahit masaktan ka. Or, you are the kind of person na if ever na may kipag-flirt itong person na to, you're willing to, makipag-flirt din because you want to be happy. You feel like this person is the one na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. The Judgment is here, so some of you may spiritual connection sa inyo. With the Temperance, ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit willing kang mag-take ng risk sa taong to. Kasi feeling mo spiritually connected kayo eh. Okay? For now, maybe medyo may pag-iwas kang ginagawa because tinatry mong maging equal ang energy ninyo. Balance. So, because yung person na ito is might be hindi naman siya masyadong communicative, tinatry mong balansehin yan. Tinatry mong gayahin, pwedeng ganun, or maging katulad nitong person na to pagdating sa pakikipag-connect sa'yo. So, it depends. So, with the Temperance, you're patiently waiting kasi nga spiritually feeling mo connected ka sa person na ito. The World is here. This person is dalawa lang yan. Either nagiging very open sa'yo or very close. Alin doon. But I can see distance sa inyong dalawa. The Eight of Wands is here. So, although my distance, I can still see the wire here. So, may may connection sa inyong dalawa. So, sabi ko nga, pwedeng spiritually. What will happen in the future? And, gusto ko muna malaman anong gusto mangyari ng person na to kasi of course may connection sa inyo pero masyado siyang hindi open. So, ang gusto niya mangyari, the Ten of Swords is here. So, maybe there's an ending na gustong mangyari ng person na ito. And this person wants to, Knight of Swords is taking actions. Knight of Swords is, magdesisyon, like some kind of mabilisang decision. But of course, maybe bago siya magdesisyon ng mabilisang decision, I want some kind of ending first. So tong person na to, pwedeng depende rin sa sitwasyon niya, pwedeng hindi siya basta-basta makapagdesisyon because of this particular ending na hindi pa nagaganap. The Five of Coins is here, and the Eight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I want to clarify the Five of Coins. The Lovers. I feel like gusto niyang kailanganin mo siya in the future. Like maybe ito yung nakikita niyang opportunity para maging real sa'yo. But of course, after the ending, I mean, the first thing na gusto niya mangyari is the ending, the Ten of Swords. Yun yung gusto niyang unang mangyari. After that, everything will follow na lang. Susunod-sunod na lang, or, you know, the Lovers. So this is like some kind of partnership, friendship, na baby gusto mangyari ng person na ito. So gusto niya magkaroon ng partnership sa inyo. I can see love towards this person. Pero medyo I can see limitation. Maybe may kinalaman sa spirituality ng person na ito. Maybe connected itong person na to, or spiritually connected siya sa'yo, but then medyo may mga challenge sa kanyang sarili kung bakit nalilimitahan yung kanyang paniniwalang spiritual sa connection ninyo. Maybe because of conflict, or maybe regarding sa kanyang lesson sa buhay, maybe regarding sa kanyang childhood or sa kanyang past, ang nagiging dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng delay, or feeling like itong person na ito medyo kinoconsider niya yung mga attachments sa ngayon. Maybe may kinalaman sa usaping material, or ayun nga, gusto niya maayos ang kanyang finances. I don't know what, but this person is feeling like a little bit compared to you, no, nakukumpara niya sarili niya sa iyo ngayon, and parang ang dami niyang kulang, ang dami niyang pagkukulang, ang daming maybe financially mas maayos or mas magaling ka sa kanya. So pagdating daw nagkakaroon ng bumababa ang ego, or ang nagkakaroon ng insecurities ang person na ito. Especially, open naman to sa LGBTQIA+ na reading. Whatever your gender is, pero I feel like especially kung siya itong nasa masculine energy, or the man in the connection. Okay, masculine energy. Pag sinabi ko masculine energy, ano man yung gender nitong taong to, basta nasa kanya yung masculine energy, ayun, nakakita tayo ng medyo nagiging totoo lang siya sa sarili niya, no? Parang ako yung yung ganito, ganyan, tapos nakakahiya na mas magaling ka sa akin. Parang ganun. So maybe that is one of the reason. What will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Strength card is here. This is Leo energy. The Star. Okay. Wheel of Fortune, and the Queen of Wands is here. Well, I feel like in the near future, no, but I can see pag video call dito, pakikipag-usap dito sa person na to through social media. I can see you looking at this person's face. And ayun nga, live siya. So maybe this is video call. And in the future, nakita tayo with the star. You're going to reach one of your dreams. So, i-check mo yung mga dreams mo or yung mga pangarap mo noon, kabataan, kahit nung kabataan mo pa. Some of you, malapit mo nang ma-achieve itong pangarap mo, particular pangarap na ito. And maybe some of you, maybe with regards to this person, kung siya yung pangarap mo in the past, there's a high chance na malapit mo nang ma-achieve itong communication with this person. Maybe ang pangarap mo noon is magkaroon ng maayos na connection, communication sa inyo. And eventually, it would happen. Pero it would happen kasi pwedeng may problema. The Nine of Wands is here. Nine of Swords. This is a stressful energy. This is problema. But I get the feeling na magkakaroon kayo ng connection pero one of you is going to advise someone kung ano yung dapat gawain. Wheel of Fortune is big change. Maybe big change sa usaping material. Maybe big change pagdating sa financial. And I feel like someone here is going to connect or communicate with someone. Well, guys, hindi ko masabi kung ikaw or siya, pero isa sa inyo ang pwedeng mamoblema na maging dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon ng communication sa inyong dalawa. Especially if in the past, nagkakaroon ng komunikasyon pagka may problema ang isa't isa or ang isa sa inyo. Okay? Kumbaga noon na ganito na talaga nangyari. And yeah, I can see communication. So, hindi ko lang masabi kung sino yung mamamblema. But the star, this is you reaching your dream. So, sabi ko nga kasi yung iba, pwedeng ang dream mo is maybe may may kinalaman sa financial. Yung iba naman dream na pakikipag-communicate dito sa person na to. So, I cannot tell. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.